Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on OnePlus 13R. So you have to start by opening your power menu by pressing a power button and volume up button and then select power off. And now once your phone is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time and hold it. And once OnePlus logo pops up on your screen, you can let go of power button. And you are now in recovery mode, and here you have to select your language by using volume buttons to navigate and then select power button. And here is recovery mode, and here you have to also navigate by using volume buttons and select with power button. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.